loading up the vehicle. Today is Adventure Day. We are heading to the airport to go where it's warmer because there's snow here. We are heading to someplace nice and warm, and we'll let you know where we're going later.
It's sunny, but just waiting for the bus here.
We took the GO bus from St. Catharines, switched buses in Burlington, and that bus took us directly to the Toronto Pearson Airport. The cost was $15 each, and it took a couple of hours. We both did some reading, so the time went by very quickly. We are now at the Toronto International Airport. Get ready to get
Drop the bags off.
the bags off. We are at the lounge. It's quite full, so sitting at the bar to eat. But there's a nice assortment going on. Very yummy. Thank you. Our flight has been delayed by a couple of hours, so we're still in the lounging. I guess I should tell you where we're going. We are heading to Singapore. Our first flight is from Toronto to Vancouver. We are finally boarded.
We made it.
A little bit.
2.5 hours delayed.
Yeah, 2.5
So
hours.
hopefully make our connection to Singapore.
Yes.
It's all with Air Canada, so one way or another they'll figure it out.
Yes. We have the one seat between us, so hopefully it stays that way.
Yeah. So
Stretch
far,
out
so
for
good.
the next 4 hours,
5 hours.
5 hours. So, but it's getting late. It's what, 8:30?
8, 9
Oh, it's
o'clock.
9 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
Toronto
So,
time.
so
Yes. No, yeah.
see you when we land.
Okay.
So we have arrived in Vancouver.
Vancouver, we missed our flight because we're like getting out of Toronto because of mechanical problems. So looks like they're gonna put us up in a hotel. We're going out in the morning to Seoul, Korea, and then flight from there to Singapore. So
We're going to Singapore.
we'll get there just a little bit later. So,
Yes. So
Oh,
instead of
oh,
arriving at 8 in the morning, we're getting there at 8 o'clock at night or 9,
or 10
something like that.
o'clock, something like that.
So we're going to miss the day, unfortunately, but so let's just travel.
Oh well,
But
it's
we're still going to get there.
still
So
get there. Everybody's
get-
safe and sound.
yes. So
Okay, now
Moving
we
forward.
gotta figure out how to do this hotel.
yeah, got to book hotel. We're flying with Air Canada. They are going to cover our flight and food vouchers. And now we just got to go collect our luggage, which we didn't think we'd be doing. So let's go find that. We found our luggage, and the customer service rep told us that they would hang on to them for us and put them on the flight tomorrow morning.
Okay, made it to the hotel,
For Sunday?
and yeah, we'll stay here for the night.
Ooh, look at the colors. Nice king bed. Not too bad. Bathrobe. There's even a seating area. It's very nice. Look at this bathroom, babe. So nice. Hello. Almost 1 o'clock in the morning here, which means almost 4 o'clock our time. So I'm tired. Yeah, Our next flight is at 10 tomorrow morning, so we're gonna leave here the earliest shuttle, which is 7, and we'll find ourselves some breakfast. But right now, it's bedtime. Good night. Time to check out. It is almost 7 in the morning.
It is
7 in the morning, and
a good night's sleep.
yep. And
Here's the elevator.
gonna go
Beautiful
to
hotel.
really nice hotel. And now we're gonna go grab a shuttle, get ourselves back. Trying to figure out where we're supposed to go.
Oh. Vancouver Airport.
Bridge there.
Yeah. Koi Pond.
Very serene.
Yeah. Very nice. Full of money.
Shiny coins.
Shots. And big aquarium. It's huge.
Saw some of those fish.
Yeah. Very cool.
This is our complimentary breakfast on Air Canada. Very yummy looking breakfast.
Because of our flight delays, so they gave us vouchers. Very good. There she is.
We've now made it to the lounge in Vancouver. So after a nice breakfast, we're having some coffee and orange juice.
Another exciting day, but long day. But
Mhm.
our flights are broken up now, so we fly to Seoul, which is a 12-hour flight, and then we go from Seoul to Singapore, and it's a 6-hour flight, something like this.
Yeah, 6.5, I think.
Yeah, so break it up instead of that big 17-hour
17-hour flight. Yeah. So
it'll be
yeah.
better.
Yeah. Not
So
that.
we're gonna enjoy this, and we board in 45 minutes.
45 minutes. We would have arrived tomorrow at 8 in the morning, which would have given us a little bit of time to explore the airport in Singapore, which we were really excited about because we can't check into our hotel until the afternoon. However, now we don't land until like 10:30 p.m., which means I don't know how much exploring we're going to do at the airport. We've heard that the airport is fabulous, but we'll see how much energy we
Pictures
have at that
anyway.
point. Yeah. Yeah. We'll see how much energy we have, how
Yeah.
much we sleep on the plane. But yeah, it's going to be a bit of a longer day than we anticipated, but we got a good night's sleep though. Nice
Yeah.
king size
Yeah.
bed,
Beautiful hotel, 5-star hotel they put us up in.
Yeah.
All complimentary.
which is
I
nice.
just had breakfast at one of the restaurants here. That was all complimentary.
Mhm.
And now we're in the lounge, so we're getting spoiled.
Yes. Yes. Again, I mentioned before, your look into the options when it comes to credit cards because we're using our Platinum American Express, and this is one of the perks, and it is nice. It is nice.
Yeah.
So,
Especially when you're doing a lot of flying like this and delays like this, then you come to a nice place and relax before the flight, so it makes it less stressful.
yes. Yep. So, gonna relax now, and okay. We'll be boarding in about 45 minutes.
Here she is. And on our second flight. Okay, we're boarded. This flight is going from Vancouver to Seoul, Korea,
South Korea.
South Korea. And then we have a quick turn over there, an hour and a half, is it? I think, in
Yes.
Seoul to go to Singapore.
And another
So,
6.5 hours
yeah.
on that one.
So yeah,
Sorry.
and this is what, a 12-hour flight, I think? Yeah,
It's Singapore.
yeah. And we are in 36A. Let's see.
Getting ready to go. We've got the go ahead to keep moving. So,
And how cool is this? The mountain peaks of British Columbia poking up through the clouds. Got some spicy chicken, some cucumber salad, and then another kind of salad here. And a bun, a brownie, some water. Bon appetit!
So we're about halfway into our flight, and just got a sandwich. Done pretty good. So we're halfway there. Fairly comfortable here. We'll bring some drinks around. We're being escorted here to our transfer. We got less than an hour to get there, so they met us right at the gate, which was nice. And here we go. We gotta go. Woman? Here we go. So we made it. There's our plane going to Singapore, Singapore Airlines, because our Air Canada got canceled. So they moved us onto this one. So we had enough time to get on. Yeah, it's cold here. What do we in row 59 and 60? Yeah.
We are not sitting
Okay.
together.
No, it's a full plane. I think it's a 787 too. Okay.
Our third flight will be our last flight of this journey, taking us to our final destination, from Seoul to Singapore. Wow. Just a little oasis here in the middle of nowhere. So pretty. Oh, look at the stars. Immigration, because that's where we go next.
Pretty nice baggage area, and they got shopping right here. Duty free. Really cool. Waiting at the luggage carousel, and they're handing out free water and snacks. And Wendy loaded up.
Meet our new friend Cindy.
Cindy from Toronto,
Yes, she got.
and she's on the journey with us to Singapore on the same
Yeah.
flights and delayed flights and everything. So. And now we're just waiting for our bags, and looks like they're here because their air tags show they're here. So it's good.
We did explore the airport a little bit. Unfortunately, with the late hour, everything was closed. we decided we'd have to make a trip back into the airport so that we could explore this fabulous airport further. Thanks for traveling with us. Join us in the next one as we explore the beautiful Singapore.